Step 2 says take out any common factors. The common factor here is we can see that these are all even. We can divide them all by 2. Also, and we will keep track of that too. We'll leave it out front. Also, it says if a is negative, which in this case it is, that leading coefficients term is negative, we're going to factor out a -1. So instead of pulling out a 2 from everything, we're going to pull out a -2. All the terms will, their signs will change, and a will become positive. So how are we going to do that? We're going to factor out a -2. So I say, okay, if I put a 2 out front, -2, parentheses, equals 0. And what do I get when I divide everything by a -2? Divided by -2, divided by -2, divided by -2. Okay? Well, dividing by the negative will change the sign to a positive, and dividing by 2 will take half of that. So what do we get? We get, for this one, we get positive 6x squared and minus x and minus 35. Okay? You could verify that by multiplying back together. You get -12x squared there. You get positive 2x there. You get positive 70 there. So it's good. So that's what we need for step 2.